Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? So today I'm going to be creating a autumn tree with these 5 maple leaf bouquets that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and the plunger and the wood grain paper. But later on I'm going to take the paper off. So I saw this video on another lady's channel. Her channel is A Southern Girl Can. I'll link her video where she created a autumn tree in a scene, autumn scene also in the description box. And I just thought that was a cute idea, so I decided to create this for this challenge. Also, I am participating in the DIY Mommy's challenge that she hosts seasonally. And what you are to do is create a DIY that's related to whatever season it is, or either decorate relating to that season. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the 2 dark maple bouquets on the top of the stick, one on each side. And next I'll be adding the lighter maple leaves, but I'll glue them down about 2 inches lower than the darker bouquet. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy the music and finish creating this autumn tree and a scene. I mean, you'll see what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory, so there's no need for me to narrate the rest of the video. But I do want to go ahead and thank Christina from the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. I've been participating for 2 years and I really enjoy it. I'll have her channel's link and a link to the playlist in the description box. And go ahead and get you something to drink and just enjoy all the creativity here on this platform. And if you're new to my channel, or if you're coming over from the playlist, welcome. I am Miss V, and my channel focuses on anything that relates to saving money. Whether that be couponing, shopping on the clearance rack, shopping at the thrift store, Dollar Tree. That's what my channel is focused on, because I am presently on a debt-free journey. My husband and I are following the Dave Ramsey's plan. We're now on baby step 2, where we're paying off all of our consumer debt. When we say consumer debt, we're talking about loans and credit cards, things like that. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video. And in the comment section, let me know at the end of the video if this was something you may try in the future. So this is the scene at night. Very cute. I know you can't see that, but I just wanted you to see it with the lights off. How cute it is. So this is it. This is my autumn scene that I have created. In my inspiration video, she had a red truck in her scene and it was very cute. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.